and welcome to Pampanga. For today's video, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Lubao, Pampanga, and we were invited by Casa Uno Villas. This is gonna be our staycation for today. If you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami. It's a family day! Alright, so let me tour you guys. So actually, where we at dun sa introduction natin kanina is the living room area. So balikan natin yan later. Oh, go with you daw. Okay, so sundan natin siya guys. So there are 3 rooms dito po. So may master's bedroom, a couple rooms siguro doon, and communal or a group. Meron tayong dalawang double deck. It can accommodate siguro up until 8 people. It has its own shower at saka meron din tayong television dito. Let's come back here. Ayan, ito yung ating counter. Meron tayong cooker, induction cooker, refrigerator. Here's our dining table slash counter. Here is our couch. This can accommodate 2 people. It has its own toilet and bath. Meron din siyang television. Now, this room has access dito sa ating view access dito sa ating parking area. So the parking area is very spacious. I like it. Going out dito naman sa right side na palabas dito is the swimming pool area. Now the swimming pool has a size of siguro small size to. Although I believe parang medyo malalim din siya. Later on check natin siya. And ano pa yung mga amenities dito. But for now, let's continue the tour sa mga rooms natin. Going to the master's bedroom. Ayan, may sarili siyang toilet and bath. Welcome! Ayan. Ha? Laki ng ano natin, no? Touchscreen TV, ang laki. Ganda ng mga ano nila, no? Mga cabinets nila. So this is where you place your clothes, guys. Additional additional pillows and everything. Okay, so labas naman tayo. Tingnan natin yung swimming pool area nila.